Friends, are we living with urinary leakage and urinary incontinence, or we're ready to leave urinary incontinence and urinary leakage? Let's touch this topic of male incontinence. So normally, when men cough, run, jump and laugh, they normally don't leak. But if somebody has undergone a prostate surgery, somebody underwent a prostate cancer surgery and the prostate was completely removed. That means the doctor removed the prostate and joined the bladder to the urinary. Or somebody underwent a prostate surgery by a TURP or by a HOLEP, when the prostate was removed. And thereafter it was expected that the urine will come out freely. And he is leaking urine. He is a man in his 50s, 60s, 70s and 80s. It's a treatable and a curable phenomenon. Sadly, it's underreported and underdiagnosed. And a lot of people live in agony and shame and they're not used to it. So men leaking urine is a phenomena that can happen after a prostate surgery. So are you the one who underwent a prostate surgery for a prostate cancer or a prostate surgery because of prostate obstruction and leaking urine? If that is what it is, this is very important attempt for you. Leakage of urine for men where they can't control urine after a prostate surgery is treatable and curable. It is important for us to identify this by examining that are they completely on diapers, are they leaking urine completely, or they can control urine but they cannot control urine till the toilet completely. Some drops leak out and therefore they continue to still wear diapers after 3 months, 6 months, 1 year and the diapers are on. That means post a prostate cancer surgery where the prostate cancer was completely removed, if you still continue to leak urine, it's time to get cured. In other words, there is a sphincter mechanism or a control mechanism which has got weakened. And therefore, artificial urinary sphincter is a mechanism where with your own control mechanism, you will be able to get this implant in your body and this will get you control. So artificial urinary sphincter is a sphincteric mechanism. It is artificially placed in the region of the perineum, in the region of the urinary passage, and it brings about the coaptation or the control which is now missing after a prostate cancer surgery, So friends, if we underwent a prostate cancer surgery or a prostate surgery, either by open or robotic method, and we are leaking urine, it's time to get complete control as a male, where we never leaked urine before this. An artificial urinary sphincter is a control mechanism which is implanted over the next 45 minutes to 1 hour in the operating room, where we give you a control to press with a button and pass urine. Leaving it, the urine gets completely emptied and thereafter you are completely dry. You don't need diapers anymore. So all men across the country and the world who are living with diapers after a prostate surgery, this is a wake-up call. Artificial urinary sphincter gets you a control where you're dry again and dry completely and dry forever. Thank you very much.